Wait, give me 1 minute, Hi, good evening to all of you. Yeah, tonight at 30, I am going to do a lucky draw for you guys. Alright. You can share to your friend. If you share to your friend, the lucky draw that you win will be double. Alright, I will tell you what the surprise when I do the lucky draw. Okay? And about 8:30 lah. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright. So we go back to what we learned last week. I do a little bit of what we had done last week first. So we start from here. The object that is not moving, R is equal to W. Right? The object that is not moving, hanging. So T is equal to W. The object that is moving, R is equal to W. Right? If not moving or moving with constant velocity, T is equal to mu. Right? T is equal to friction. If the object is accelerate, T is more than mu. T is more than the friction. So this one is R is equal to W cos. Right? Touching, we use cos. Right? W cos. We are going to see more later. The object that is not moving, F. Right? This F is W sine. Right? If you know. Right? But if you haven't learned, leave it. F is equal to mu. If it is sliding down, F is more than mu. Right? What is F? Is W sine. Right? W sine theta. For the object that is flying on the sky, L is equal to W. T is equal to G. For the aeroplane that is flying on the sky at the constant altitude and constant height, constant velocity and constant height, right? If it is accelerating, T is more than G, right? If it is going upward, L is more than W, right? This is what we learned last week, right? So this one I am not going to repeat already, so we are going to see more on this one and more example later. So today we are going to see more example. Example 14. Find the acceleration of the trolley if the frictional force of the rough surface is 5 Newton. So I label that is a frictional force. Sorry, here. Here the frictional force is 5 Newton. Frictional force is 5 Newton. So now find the acceleration. So we are going to do F is equal to ma. F is ma. The net force is 20 minus the friction. 20 minus 5 is equal to ma. M is 2. A, I don't know. So I want to find A, right? So now 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 divided by 2. 15 by 2, A is equal to 7.5. Right, this one gonna be easy. Right, start from the easy one first. And right, so the second one is this one is easy, yeah. So now find the frictional force of the rough surface if the object is moving with the acceleration of 2. So that is the friction. How much is the friction? They said I don't know. Right, I don't know. Friction, I don't know. So now this object is moving with acceleration of 2. So what do we do is F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. F, net force 20 minus friction. So 20 minus friction. I don't want to use this mu. I use friction, right? Frictional force, right? Why? Because I told you your school you might be just using frictional force, right? It's equal to ma. 3, acceleration is 2. Right? So I bring the frictional force, negative frictional force to this side. So 3 times 2 is 6. I bring to this side. So 20 minus 6 is equal to my frictional force. So my frictional force is equal to 14 Newton. That's why if you use frictional force, right, it might be it will be quite long, you see here. So if I do it this way, 20 minus mu is equal to 6, very fast, right? Come to here, mu, this one come to here, 6, 20 minus 6, mu is equal to 14, right? Very fast, right? If not, I want to write the whole thing out. So it take me a lot of time lah. That's why I don't like to write in full frictional force. But if you want to use, teacher, if I want to use this mu, can or not? Can. How? You have to put it into this way. Like that, then okay. Alright, you put it a symbol. Alright, you put the word first, and then you put the symbol in here, and then you do, then okay. Alright. Okay, next one. Now, find the frictional force of the rough surface if the trolley is moving in constant velocity. Right? Constant velocity, no need to do. Very easy. Right? So, constant velocity here is equals to here. Right? Here is equals to here. I told you already, no need to do. So, find the frictional force. So the frictional force is 15. When it is constant velocity only. Left is equals to right. Right? Constant velocity, no need to do. Right? You just write the answer will do. Is that okay? Alright. If the 2 kg trolley is pulled with the force F, pull with the F, and then it move with constant velocity, right? Constant velocity, I don't care how much it is, right? 不管, right? Leave it. This one, teacher, constant velocity 2, constant velocity 3 ms minus 1, don't care. So as long as it's constant velocity, okay already. So I know that is a frictional force. So how much is the frictional force? F. Right? Frictional force, F. Right, this is the first information that I got. If the pulling force F is double, now it is 2F. 2F is equal to 2F minus F. Right, here I am going to double my force. Double. So now become 2F. But we know there is a frictional force. How much? F. Right, 2F minus F is equal to MA. 2F minus F is equal to MA. 2F minus F is equal to MA. How much is the M? 2. A, acceleration, 2. 2F minus F left F. Alright, so the frictional force is 4 Newton. Alright, frictional force is 4 Newton. Alright, so frictional force is also the F, the same thing. So find the F, this much, and then they set the value of the frictional force. Right, frictional force is F. Right, frictional force is, you have to re-answer. 4 Newton. Okay. Alright, so the easy one, we have done it already. So we are going to go to something that is something harder. Alright, our lucky draw will start at 30. Stay tuned. Okay, share to your friend my live stream, you will get double. Right, your lucky draw letter will double. I mean, if I will give like let's say 18 ringgit, so you will double, right? Become double. Your price will be double. Okay, now first one. A boy with a mass 50 kg that stand inside the lift. Label of the force acting on the boy, right? No. Label all the force acting on the boy. All right. So this is force that going downward, and then this is a force going upward. Label all the force. So this one is named R. This one is named W. W is equal to mg. All right. W is equal to mg. All right. So you just put the W will be okay. All right. No need to put mg. I just want to tell you it is equals to mg. All right. Then label all the forces. Yes. Finish. All right. Find the value of the reaction if the lift is. Now we are going to put in the reaction already. The question. So A. B. Now the lift is not moving. Not moving up and down. It is the same. Right. This one is called equilibrium. All right. So R is equals to W. Why R is equals to W? Because not moving up and down will be the same. Right? I put it into this way. Now, if this force and this force, 5 Newton and 5 Newton, where will it go? So you're moving with constant velocity or not moving, right? So if it is not moving, mean this force and this force, it is the same. If this force is 10, this force it is 5 only, so it is going to move to the right. Okay? So not moving mean up and down it is the same. Alright? Up and down it is the same. So R is equal to W. W is equal to, we know that it is equal to mg. Right? M, we know how much is the M. M is 50. G is 9.81. Gravity. Salah. Wait. This one baru betul. Right? 50 times 9.81. 490.5. Unit Newton. Okay? If the lift is not moving. What if the lift is moving with the acceleration? Now you have to see, in this question, you have to see whether it move up or move down. Right? Move up or move down. See properly. Now, normally, I want my student to draw it out so to prevent you to get wrong. Because most of the time the student they will do it wrongly because of they don't know whether it is go up or go down. You don't need to draw the full thing. So you just do one force up, one force down. Alright? And then this whole thing said going upward. So upward. Upward with the acceleration. Upward with the acceleration. So this one, the force here, it is the R. The force here is equal to W. Excuse me. Moving upward. So I'm going to do it here. Right? You see properly how do I do it? Now, why? I want to ask you, why this thing go up? Now, I don't want to make it hard. I make it easy first. Now, I got a force to the left and right. This one, let's say R. This one, let's say W. Right? This thing accelerate to here. Now, I got a very easy question for you. Do you think W bigger or R bigger so that it will move in this way? Do you think W bigger or R bigger? It accelerates into this way. Of course, this one it is bigger. Let's say this is 10, this is 2. So you accelerate to this side. If this one is 12, this one is 10. So it, of course, it will not accelerate in this way. It will accelerate into this way. Because this force is bigger, so it will accelerate to this way. Am I right? Okay. So now I change my question. Now this thing it is going upward. They said going upward. The question said upward with the acceleration upward. So now, do you think R bigger or W bigger? So that it will accelerate upward. Of course, it is R is bigger, right? So R bigger. So F is equal to MA. F is equal to MA. Now you said R is bigger. So R minus W is my net force. Am I right? R minus W is equal to my net force. Net force is MA. Right? So W we know it already just now. 490.5. Right? R they want to find. R minus W. W is 490.5. Is equal to MA. M mass is 50. A I don't know. So I want to calculate. Now, A, sorry, I know. How much? 2. I'm sorry, I know. Right, wait, I know it. Teacher, how do you know A is 2? C. Right, the lift is moving upward with the acceleration of 2. Right, 2. Alright, so I am going to bring this 490 to here become plus. Right, 490.5 plus 100. So 590.5. Unit Newton. Is that okay? Very easy, right? If you draw it out, then it will be easy. Right? If you don't draw it out, it might be slightly harder. Right? But if you get used to it, you no need to draw it, it is okay. But I really hope you can draw it out. You draw it out, then everything just becomes simple. Alright? Becomes simple. So, never mind. I label this one up. Upward. E. Wait. A bit Bangkok whatever lah. I don't care lah. So hard to draw because it is too short. Okay. Okay. This is R reaction. This one is weight. Now D. I read the question first. Moving downward. They said, okay, moving downward. I label it going downward with the acceleration. Right? Moving downward with the acceleration. Now, which one it is bigger, do you think, so that it will go down? Which one it is bigger? Do you think so that it can go down? If R bigger, of course it go up. If W bigger, then it go down. So I know, oh, teacher, this one is going downward. So downward, bigger, minus the smaller one is equal to MA. Right? I should write F is equal to MA first. I'm sorry. Right? So W minus R is equal to MA. W minus R is equal to MA. Okay. Now W is mg, right? Mg, I calculate it already. 490. Right, just now. Mg, 490.5. Minus R is equal to MA. M, mass is 50. The boy's weight. Now A, what is the acceleration? I don't know. I go and see it first. 3. Right? The acceleration is 3. Okay. So put it in. Now, this one, I want to do it faster this way. So this is negative R, I don't want. I bring it to here, become positive R. This one's 490 still here. 490.5 still here. This is 150. Move to here, become minus. Minus 150. Alright. So, 490.5 minus 150 is my R. R is 340. R is 340.5. Unit Newton. That's all. Alright. 340.5. Very easy. If you draw it out, then everything, you can solve the question very, very easily. Okay. Now, E. We look at E. Same thing. The object, the leaf is moving upward with constant velocity. Alright. Actually, when it move with constant velocity, you can no need to do, because of up and down will be the same. Right? Up and down will be the same. Moving upward, so I follow upward. Okay. Now moving upward with constant velocity, upward is R, right? The upward force is R. Downward is W. So moving upward, no acceleration, so I don't label acceleration. So I do it here. F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. F is upward, so R is bigger. R minus W is equal to ma. Alright. Constant velocity, the acceleration is 0. I repeat one more time. Constant velocity, I cannot see here. Constant velocity, acceleration is 0. So W, I bring it to here. R is equals to W. W is 490.5. Unit Newton, that's all. Now, I repeat, this one actually no need to do. Why? Now, when you see constant velocity, up and down the same. That's all. When you see constant velocity, up and down the same. Right? So, how much is R? They ask you. Find the R. Find the R. When the lift is moving in constant velocity, so R is equal to W. W how much? W is 400. W is 490. Right? Weight is 490. 490.5, I'm sorry. That's all. This one is most of the students don't know how to do, which is F. They ask us about F. Free fall. Free falling. What is mean by free falling? Free falling mean, now this one, this is a leaf. So now you are inside here. You are inside here. Now that is a thread. Right? That is a tali. They will pull you, pull the leaf, right? Pull up, so that it go up. So let's say you want to go down, then you let it down. You go down. What if this one snap? This one putus. This one break. So when break, so this thing it is going to undergo a free fall. Free fall mean it is acted by gravity only. The leaf is undergo free falling. Alright, free falling. So now how to do this? Free falling mean I haven't drawn yet. I draw it first. I draw it. It is better for you to answer. Better for you to understand. So that is R. That is W. And then it undergo free falling, mean it fall because of the gravity. Right? Gravity. Right? This one is called G. So F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. So this one, it is going down, free falling. So W is bigger. W minus R is equal to ma. Right? M 50. A is 9.81 gravity. Right? So W, I know it is 490.5. 50 times 9.81, 50 times 9.81, also 490.5. So this negative R, I move to here, become positive R. This one, I move it back to here, 490.5 minus 490.5. R is equal to 0. 0 Newton, you can write 0 or 0 Newton, both are okay. Right, no problem one. Because of 0, you can no need to write the unit. Right. If you want to write the unit, it is okay. Okay. Now, What is that mean? All right. And in this example, this one is very, very common example come up in the question in the exam. So you have to know how to do it. So first of all, you need to know whether it go up or go down. And then label all the forces. Big minus small is equals to MA. That's all. Now, of course, you ask me, Cikgu, what is the use of the scale? Right? The scale reading here, showing you the reading of our reaction. Meaning that if the leaf is not moving, you are standing on the scale, that is a scale here, you stand on it, you are 50 kg, so it will appear 490. Now, when the leaf it is going upward, accelerate upward, you find that the reading of the scale will be more when it accelerate upward. When the leaf it is going downward, you will find that the reading of the scale will be lesser. The reading of the scale here represent the error. Error represent the reading of the scale. If it is going down, it becomes 340.5. But when it is moving at constant velocity, still 490. When the tali here putus, so you undergo free fall. You see the reading becomes 0. Because the scale is dropping as what you are dropping with gravity, the scale also dropping with the gravity. So there is no reading. Okay? Now, this kind of question, later we are going to do some example. Now here, we are going to see this kind of question. This kind of question also a lot of students cannot do it well. Alright, I don't know why, but if you follow my method, you should be able to do it easily. Alright, so this is something that we are going to have a weight. This is tension. Right, because of this one is the thread, tali. Right, so this is a weight, this is a tension. Logically, this one it is lighter, so that it will go up with the acceleration. This one it is heavier, so that it will go down with the acceleration. So I label all the force first, right? T, A, and this one still A, and then this one is the weight. Now this weight I am going to put it in first because of it is easier for me to calculate later, right? So W is equal to mg, right? So mg, m is 2, right? M is 2, G is 9.81. 2 times 9.81, it is 19.62. Alright, I put it in first, easier. Okay, how about this one, 3 kg? Alright, there is also a W here. How much is the W? It is 3 times 9.81. I label it in first. 29.43. I didn't put in the W is equal to mg already. I guess you know it already. So I label everything already. So now, right now, I want you to do it two part, right? Left and right. Left hand side. You just see this one only. Then later, you are going to see another one. This one. Right? So I do the red one first. The red one. Okay? The red one. So because of it is going up, like what I told you, do you think W bigger or T bigger? W bigger or T bigger so that it go up? Of course, T bigger so that it go up. Okay? Write the equation for me. Write the equation. Write the equation. T minus 19.62. T minus 19.62 is equals to MA. M. Don't see the green one. See the red one only. M. 2. A, I don't know. And I need to tell you one thing. This A and this A it is the same. This A and this A, it is the same, just the direction terbalik. One is going up, the other one going down. If this one is going down, this one is going up. Okay, now what do you see is you got T and got A. Two unknown here. So this equation you cannot solve. Two unknown, you need two equations. So I need to write another equation. So this one I'm going to leave it as 1. The first equation. Now, I am going to do the green one right now. The green one. Just look at the green one only. Don't bother about the red one. The green one. The green one. Okay? The green one. Come on. This one is going down. This one is going down. This one is going down. Mean W is bigger. Right? So, W minus R is equals to MA. Okay? W, 29.43. Minus your R. Do you know how... not R pula. T. I'm sorry. T. Not R. T. Minus T. Is this MA? M. A. Acceleration. I don't know. So same thing. I got two unknown here. Negative T. Here, positive T. So the best way to solve these two equations is... Right? The best way to solve this equation is elimination. This one got T. This one got negative T. If you plus them, it will be gone. So I use addition. This one plus this one no more. So negative 29.43, negative 19.62. I'm sorry. Negative 19.62 plus this one is this one plus this one. Okay. So, the first one plus the second one. So, what do I have? Is negative 19.62 plus 29.43 is equals to, right, this one plus this one no more. I don't need to write. This one plus this one, I write down, is equals to this one plus this one. Right? 5A. So, 29.43 minus 19.62 equal. And then divided by 5. Right? Because of this one done, I divided by 5. Right? A is 1.962. Unit is ms minus 1. ms minus 2, I'm sorry. Done. But they ask you, find the acceleration? Yes. And then find the tension. So you sub A is equal to this one into here. Right? So T is equal to 19.62 negative. I bring to here, become positive. Plus 2A. 2 times A. Right? This one times 2 plus 19.62. 23.544. 23.544, yeah. Unit Newton. In the exam, better for you to leave it in 3 decimal point. 3 decimal point. Actually, 2 to 3 decimal point, it is okay lah. But the new syllabus, they require 3. Last time, the old one, also KSSM, when the KSSM baru start, right, they normally leave it as 2. Now I see on answer scheme, no, normally it is 3. So you leave it as 3 decimal will be better. Alright. This is how we do it. Right? Very easy. I explain again. You label or in, and then you put it at the left hand side and right hand side. Right? Then you will get the answer. Now, I purposely do it wrongly, but I still can get the answer. Right? But I hope you won't, you should not get it wrongly lah. All right. Now I purposely do it wrongly. Yeah. You see how I do? Now that is a trolley. Here it is 2 kg. This is 3 kg. Now here this one is T. This one is 19.62. We have calculated it. Here this is 27.43. I forgot. 29.43. I'm sorry. 29.43. This is T. Now, of course, this one it is selected, it will go up. But if you accidentally do it wrongly, what will happen? Never mind, I purposely do it wrongly. You don't copy, you just listen. Right? What if this one go up, this one go down? You label it wrongly. So I write the first equation here. Because I said it will go down, mean 19.62 it is bigger. Minus T is equal to MA. M is 2, A I don't know. I write the first equation. I repeat, I said it go down. 19.62 minus T is equal to MA. M is 2. Now I do this one. This one I said it will go up. Right? So up mean up here T it is bigger. T minus 29.43 is equal to 3A. Solve them. Right? Negative T, positive T, no more. This one 19.62 minus 29.43 is equal to 5A. Okay. 19.62 minus 29.43, right, equal, divided by 5 equal. A is equals to negative 1.962. A lot of you kepo, teacher, A is positive, no negative. No, just leave it as negative. Because of you want to find T, right? T is 3A. 3 times negative 1.962. This one bring to here, plus 29.43. Right? This one times 3. This one times 3. Here times 3. Times 3 plus 29.43. 29.43. So you get the answer. T is 23.544. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Right? Exactly the same. But I takut you get wrong. Right? I takut you get wrong. Because of this one is the same. Yeah, teacher, same. This one terbalik. Why negative? Because your direction wrong. Yeah. Your direction is going down. We got going down. This one going up. So that's why you got a negative there. Your direction is wrong. Your direction is wrong. So please don't purposely do it wrong. Now, if you do you teacher, this one is A is positive 1.962. You sub here positive and then 3 times positive plus 29. Then you got teacher. My one is 50 something. Wrong lah. Wrong. So it's easy for you to get wrong. Make sure you label correctly so that you get a better answer. If you label wrongly, you still can get the answer. The answer not so nice. So you have to understand why on your own. So heavier one, it is going downward. Right? Heavier, this one heavier going down. This one heavy, lighter going up. Like for this example, right? So we look at this example. So we label all the force first. I let you try to label on your own first. Right? 4 kg going down. How much? Going up, how much? Where is the force? Going up or going down? A. Label it first. Alright. After that, you label this one. I hope you have done it. Okay. This one is going down because heavier. This one is going up because it is lighter. This is A. Here, this is A. Alright, so the weight here is 4 times 9.81 mg, 4 times 9.81. How much it will be? 39.24. How about this? W is 19.62. Yeah, right, 2 kg, I remember. And then this one is T. And this one is T. Label all already. Done. Now, I want you to try to write this equation for me. This one only. Alright. Done. Which one bigger? If it is going down, mean bottom it is bigger. Okay, hopefully you have done. So after that, you write this equation. This one is going upward. Write this one. Okay, hopefully you have done it. Okay, then if you done, you can try to solve them. Right, so 29.24 minus T is equals to 4A. I didn't write F is equal to MA already. So this one, T is bigger. T minus 19.62 is equals to 2A. Solve these two equations. Negative T plus T no more. This one plus this one. Okay, of course you'll get this, right? So then, 39. This one is 39. I'm sorry, not 29. 39. My bad. 4 times 9.81 is 39. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. 39. 39.24. This one is 39.24. My mistake. 39.24. I'm sorry. My bad. 39.24 minus 19.62. Answer minus 19.62. And then divided by 6. So I get 3.27. Yeah. 3.27. If I got mistake, please tell me. Don't just keep quiet. Can you get it? After you get the A, go and get the T. Right? So T is equals to, you find the easier one. Like this one is easier. So I just bring this one to here will be okay. So this one bring to here become positive. Right? 2A, 2 times A. How much is the A? 3.27. Plus 39.8, no. Plus 19.62. Times 2 plus 19.62. 26.16. Excuse me. Okay. Can you get it? Okay. Can you get it? Okay, I hope you can get it. All right, so this kind of question, now I got a shortcut for you. If the question not asking you tension of the rope, it only asks you acceleration. Only asks you acceleration and it is objective. No need to do working one. Objective. Right? I'm going to show you faster and easier way. You don't need to do this out. Right? No need to draw the tension. No need whatever. Right? You draw this, then okay already. Right? F is equal to MA. The net force is the big minus small. 39.24 minus 19.62. This one minus this one is equal to total mass 6A. Then 39.24 minus 19.62 is equal to 6A. Finish. Right? A is, you can get it directly here. I repeat one more time. If they ask you tension, no matter what, you still need this one out. Now, I try this one. The question asks you find acceleration. Okay. Big minus small. F is equal to MA. The big minus small, 29.243 minus 19.62 is equal to MA. M, total mass, 5A. 29 minus 19.62 is equal to 5A. That's all. Only objective and find acceleration only. Tension, then teacher, tension how? You still need to write this equation out. So that's why I taught you the full thing lah, right? The full one, right? Only some objective, then you can very fast. You can get the answer very fast. Okay, I hope you can understand this. All right, so we move to this one. Find the acceleration and tension of the rope. Given the frictional force is 10. So label everything first. So that is a W. W is mg. M 5. G 9.81. 49.05. So here is a tension here. So I am going to label it up. Tension of the rope. Now, this object actually that is having a 4 forces acting on the trolley. So one, it is going down. It is weight. Right? How much? I don't care. So here, R. So this one, it is not helping me, and then it is not asking. So here, there is another 2 forces. And then here, it is a rough surface, frictional force. This one is tension of the rope. Okay, there is a 4 forces. Because of this question, I want to simplify it. So the R and W, I don't want to do. Because R always equals to W. This object is going left, right. Accelerate to the left or right. Same. Why? Because of it accelerate to the right. So R is same as W. If moving with constant velocity, R is equal to W. Unless this thing is flying upward or flying downward. Impossible. Impossible. So R and W no need to do. Right? So the thing that I am concerning here, here is a tension. Here it is a frictional force. Right? Frictional force, yeah, 10. Right? Frictional force, 10. So and then there is another one which is T here. Tension of the rope. Now, the thing come already. This whole thing, it is only can go down. You try to hang something there, impossible. You let go, then it will go up one. Unless you pull it here. Now this question not saying anything. You pull the what? No. So as this one going down, this one will go to the right. I repeat, this whole thing only can go down or not moving or going down, right? So this one will acceleration is here. So now I am going to divide it to two parts to do it. Write this equation for me first. Write the first equation for me. Write the first equation for me. Okay. Now write this equation for me. I hope you have done. W, right? 49.05 minus R, because going down, W is bigger. W minus T is equals to 5A MA. First equation. This equation, T is bigger. T minus 10 is equals to 2A. Okay. So solve these two, right? Negative T, positive T, you plus them together, gone. 49 minus 10, it is 39. 39.05 is equals to 7A. $39.05 divided by 7. So what will you get? 5.579. 79 lah. 7, 8, 7, I round off. 5.579. Right, 3 decimal point. Then get the T. T is this one you move to here, right? A times 2. A times 2 and then plus 10. This negative 10 move to here. A I have times 2 plus 10. Right? So I'll get 21.16. Now, teacher, do I need to write what substitute what T is equals to what A is equals to what into? Yeah, up to you. Right, no need. Right, you are from 4 already. You want to write, it is a good thing. Right? For example, you write here 1 plus 2. Easy for you to check. Right? Sub A is equals to 5.17 into 2. Right? You can write it. I don't write it. You want to write it, then you go ahead. You go ahead. You can write it. Never mind. Meaning that no, don't right. Meaning that you write sub the A is equal to 5.579 into the first equation or second equation, up to you. And T is equal to what? You can get it. Right. Question? I hope no. You try to do some question first. Right. At 30. Never mind. Now you can try to rest. We rest for a little while. Rest for 10 minutes. Okay. I tell you what price that I will give later. You can share to your friend. Ask your friend to join. Right. There is a lucky draw. Right. So at 30, sharp at 30, later we do it. Now, if you are my student only, all right, so you join the lucky draw. Later, I'll tell you how to get the lucky draw lah. I give the number and then random, you type a number so that I draw kena you, then you get a prize. So first prize, it is like I give 18 ringgit only. Sikit oh. But if you share my video and then you screenshot, you share my video, right? You can share in TikTok, you can share in IG, you can share in Facebook, whatever. As long as you share any share, right? So in any social media, so I'll give you 28. 28. If if you are not my student, you get 18. If you are my student, you get 28. Right? If you share it, then you get 38. Okay, maximum 38. Not my student only. Alright, you get this one. Right? If you are my student and you will get this one. If you're my student and then you share, right, you will get this one. Okay. You need to tell me the proof. You use later lah. I tell you how to get a prize. You PM me later. So now you rest for a little while. You try to do this, or you go to toilet. I prepare your number. Right. Later we are going to see whether the lucky draw lah. At 30 I'll be right back. You can try to do this question here from the page 27. I'll be right back. Back. So I tell you the rules. How do we get the lucky draw? Random number generator. Okay. So let's say 1 to 10, right? 1 to 10. So now I try first. So 5. All right. So you write a number 1 in between 1 to 10. So I generate a number. So your number hit the number, then you will be the lucky one. All right. Okay. So this one is not counted. This one not counted. So now you try to put in 1 to 10, a number in 1 to 10. Right. If not hit, then I will draw the second time. If second time also not hit, I will draw the third time. Third time not hit means you are not lucky. Okay, so you put in a number 1 to 10 right now. In the chat box, 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 10. Put in number 1 to 10 in the chat box. Chat box, 1 to 10. 1 to 10. And I'll draw. I'll draw here. I'll generate a number. Okay, fast. 1 to 10. No one want to win my ang pao. 18, 28, or 38. If you did share that one, you will get 38. And you are my student also lah. If you are not my student, you share, you get 28. If you are not my student, I mean you register before lah, so you get at 28 minimum. 28, 38. Write a number, right, in here in the chat box. Right? For example, me myself, I want to draw my lucky number. For example, it is 8. Right, put in a number. Come on. You don't want ang pao? You write a number inside, so I'll give the lucky draw. Come on. 9. Okay. I draw 3 times. Lucky draw. I give you 1 minute. 1 more minute to write your number, to choose your best number. Seven. 9, 7. No more? Okay. 6. Okay. Any other? 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. One number only. Don't write many. If you write many also, later, I will calculate. I will take the first number only. Okay. Alright. Any other participant? 还有其他的吗? No? So I want to generate already. Okay, 1 minute already. Okay, so hang. 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay. You PM me if you did screenshot your share. The winning number is YTCH. If you you did share, you tell me. If you are my student, you PM me also. If you're not my student, you also can PM me. My number is here. My number is here. Right? My number is here. You PM me and I will send you the ang pao. Right? Later provide me your either your bank number or your father's bank number, father, mother lah, cincai lah, whatever lah. You tell them, my cikgu want give me a ang pao. Okay? PM me letter after this or after that one. Right? Also okay. Okay. Thanks for the lucky draw. The lucky draw will be done. Alright. One number only kena already. Alright, so we continue. I screenshot first. Screenshot. Wait to become the proof. Here. And this is the winner. Winner. Okay. This is my proof. Alright. Thanks. Alright. Why delete? Alright. Whatever. Okay. PM me. PM me. Who is YTCH? PM me. Okay. So, diagram 17 shows. Continue our tuition. Diagram 17 shows a box being pulled by a force F and move with constant velocity. Constant velocity. So what happens if another force is 25 applied in the same direction? So you pull with a force F, then you move with constant velocity. Mean the F is 25. Mean the F is 20. What am I doing? Mean the F is 20 because the frictional force is 20, right? Now, you pull more, become 25 right now. What happened? So it will accelerate to the left? No. Left? No. So it moving to the left? No. See? Oh, okay. No. So I know already. So that is a force 20, right? You pull with the F20. Right? Now it will move with constant velocity, mean your frictional force is 20. Now you pull with 25 right now. So you move to the left, right? With the constant acceleration. It will move with constant acceleration, right? Constant acceleration. Because the force that you pull, it is constant constant force. So it will be constant acceleration. So we don't have the increasing acceleration. Higher constant velocity wrong. Zero acceleration wrong. Right? Increasing acceleration wrong unless you are moving it with the increasing force. So answer is A. Answer will be A. Right? Now, which diagram experience the higher resultant force? Here is add, here is 4. The resultant force is 4. Add minus 4. 6 minus 4, it is 2. Right, this is 4. This is 2. This is add minus 2, it is 6. Here it is 4 minus 4, 0. So biggest resultant force, answer is C. Okay, next one. Diagram 12 shows a force acting on the drone that is moving upward with uniform velocity. Upward, but uniform velocity. Which one is true? Right? Uniform velocity. So the resultant force is equal to 0. Yes. Uniform velocity. Right? Answer is resultant force is 0. Right? Okay. This one I haven't teach you yet how to draw. So this one I am going to skip first. Here, which diagram shows the correct resultant force? Right? So this one I also haven't teach you how to draw yet. I'm going to skip this one first. That is a man standing on the wedging machine that is inside the lift, move with constant velocity. Constant velocity, the reading will be... Okay, draw it. There is a lift, wedging machine. So there is a force going downward. Draw it. There is force going downward. There is a force going upward. So upward is called R. R is the reading of the wedging machine. So this one is W. Wait. Okay. So constant velocity means up is equals to down. Right. R is equals to W. Right. R is equals to W. The reading of the wedging machine is equals to the weight. Is equal to the weight of the man. Same as the weight. Answer is C. Constant velocity, yeah. Now, this one is the diagram 16 shows the X and Y connected to the string over a smooth pulley. When the system is released, X and Y accelerate with 4. X and Y accelerate with 4. What is the frictional force between X and the third table? Okay, so we label all the forces in. That is the weight, right? How much? W. mg. M is 3. G is 9.81. 9.81. 3 times 9.81 is 29.43. Okay, now there is a force here. It's called tension of the rod. So I labeled this one already. Now they said this one X and Y will accelerate with 4. So it must, I told you, it must be going down. A, they gave you how much? 4. Label it in first. Now there is a friction. Right, friction. There is a tension. And there is an acceleration to here, which is 4 also. This acceleration is same as this acceleration. A is equal to 4. Right? So I label it in. This one is named T. This one, it is named frictional force. I put it easy here because of this one adjective. I label this one. This way will be okay. Right? Friction. So they ask you, what is the friction between the X and the table? So I do this one first. Right? This one. So this one is going down. Down. So W is bigger. W minus T is equals to MA. W, we got it, 29. 29.43 minus the T is equals to MA. M is 3, A is 4. 3 and 4. Put it in. I know how much is the T already, but this question not asking me about the T. So I find the T, never mind. T move to here, 12 move to here. 29.43 minus 12. T is equals to 17.43. Okay. So this one done already. So I want to do this one. Right, this one. So because of this one accelerate to the right, mean T is bigger. Right? T minus mu friction is equals to MA. MA. T, we know T. T. 17.43 minus friction. Friction, I don't know. I don't know. They asked us to find. MA. M, it is not this M already. Right? M is this one. 2 kg. A is 4. Right? So I can find the friction. So this friction, I moved to here. This one is at, I moved to here. So 17.43 minus at is equal to my friction. So how much is my friction? 17.43 minus 8. So 9.43. Not ms minus 1. It is Newton. I'm sorry. So answer is D. Okay? Answer will be D. Okay? Answer will be D. You need to know how to write the equation. If not, you cannot do it. Okay? So diagram shows a aeroplane flying at the height with a constant velocity. Constant velocity, this one is equal to this one. This one is equal to this one. Which one flooring represent the thrust force? Thrust is C. Which one represent the thrust? C. Now, diagram 13 shows a passenger of the mass 65 kg in elevator. So, calculate the magnitude of normal force R when the lift is moving upward with the acceleration 1.5. Right? Acceleration, gravity, it is 9.81. Okay, put it in. Draw it first. This is the lift. There is a force going upward. There is force going downward. Okay. That is force going upward. It is called R reaction or normal. This question they said normal reaction. R. This one down, it is weight. Okay. Label it in first. R. This one is W. W is equal to mg. M, how much is the M? M is 65 kg. 9.81. 65 lah. What am I doing? Okay. 65 times 9.81. 637.65. 637.65 Newton. Okay. Now, this thing is going upward, moving upward with the acceleration, mean going upward. A is 1.5. I don't want to write the unit. I'll leave it. 1.5. Okay. ms minus 2. Right. So, you can try to do this right now. Which one is bigger? You need to know which one it is bigger first. Upward, moving upward. Upward. Which one it is bigger? W or R? The bigger minus smaller is your net force. Right? Because of it is moving upward, right? I know R is bigger. Right? F is equal to MA. If you want, net force is equal to MA. Net force is R minus W. R is, I don't know. W is 637.65. Is equal to MA. M mass 65. G A given 1.5. Okay, so this one you bring to here. Okay, 637.65 negative, come to here, become positive, plus 65 times 1.5 will be your answer. 735.15. 735.15 Newton. Answer is D. Answer is D. Okay. It should be not that hard, right? Boleh, huh? Alright. This kind of question, I want you to try to do first. I try to find in your textbook. Form 4 is Form 5. Physics textbooks. Let me find in your textbook. Wait. Okay. Oh no. The one. Let me find in the textbook got or not. Don't have. No, don't have. Right. Don't have. Leave it. Now, I saw some of the teacher ask the student to memorize this, which is when go up, they got, I cannot memorize, I tell you. I cannot memorize. Okay, I tell you what first. Okay, now, which of the following is true about this apparent weight? Right? What is apparent weight? R. So R, they ask you what is R, right? So now this one go up, right? So up, R minus mg is equal to ma, right? So bring to here, R is equal to mg plus ma, right? R mg plus ma, answer is D for X. For this one is going downward, so Y, for Y, so going downward mean this one is bigger. Mg minus R is equal to ma, right? So you bring this one to here, R, right? This one you bring to here, mg minus ma. So R is equal to mg minus ma, right? mg plus ma, mg minus ma. So answer is D. Now some of the teacher, they ask the student to memorize when go up is mg plus ma, when go down is mg minus ma, which is why need to memorize this? This one is not for you to memorize, it is for you to understand and do it. What if the question give you other, put in the number, put in the acceleration, then you cannot do already. So I don't want. I don't want you to just memorize or go up plus, go up plus, go down minus. No. Teacher, it's ma minus mg or mg minus ma again? Later. How? I don't memorize. Right? I tell you, you just do it out and get the answer. Right? I repeat one more time. Oh no, I redo. For X. So because of going upward, so R is bigger. Right? R minus mg is equal to ma. R is equal to, you bring this one to here, become ma plus mg. That's all. For y, this one is going downward, right? Downward means mg is bigger, weight is bigger. Weight minus r is your net force, right? W, all right, no, I don't want w. Mg minus ma, minus r is equal to my ma, net force, ma. So this negative r bring to here, this one bring to here. So mg minus ma is equal to my r. I rewrite r is equal to mg minus ma. That's all. Okay, so answer is plus minus. Okay, answer is D. Not very hard, right? If you know how to put it in, right? Just put it in. Okay, come to this question. Diagram 14 shows the very small. I put it bigger. Diagram 14 shows a trolley with a mass 1.5 kg being pulled by a weight through a pulley. The trolley moves with the acceleration of 2, right? And the friction between the trolley is 3. Calculate the resultant force. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Label all the forces in first. This one, frictional force is 3. And then this is tension of the rod. This one is the weight, right? So the weight 1.5 kg mg, right? W is equal to mg. This question is quite stupid lah, but never mind. 1.5 times 9.81. Right? Because they asked the resultant force. 1.5 times 9.81. You calculate all letter, it is useless. 14.715. 14.715 Newton. Right? You calculate all. They said this trolley is moving with 2. Okay, acceleration is 2. A is equal to 2. This thing is also A is equal to 2. Okay. Then, teacher, this one minus T, right? 14.715 minus T is equal to MAM. The mass of the lot is 1.5 is trolley, mass is 1.5 is this one. A lot. The lot they don't give. The lot they don't give. Okay, I'm sorry. This one is my mistake. This one cannot. Okay, this one is 1.5 kg. Okay. Where should I put? I put down here. Easy to see. No, so hard to see. I put it here so that you can see. If I put here, very hard for you to see. So now this one I want to do W minus T. W minus T is equal to MA. M I don't have. A I don't have. Cannot do. Right? How many unknown? 1 unknown, 2 unknown. A I got only. This M I don't have. 3 unknown. Cannot do. Right? T minus 3. T minus 3 is equal to 1.5 times A. A is 2. Right? I bring this one to here. 1.5 times 2, it is 3. 3 plus 3, T is equal to 6 Newton. Yes, T is 6 Newton. So this one is 6 Newton. Cikgu, T is 6 Newton. No answer. They don't ask you to find the T. They ask you the resultant force. Okay? So T minus 3 is equals to 1.5 times A. No. I write in this way. T, right, the resultant force, T minus 3 is equals to MA. T minus 3 is equals to M 1.5. A is 2. T is equals to 1.5 times 2, it is 3. 3, this one bring to here, it is 3. 3 plus 3, it is 6 Newton. Okay, 6 Newton. So this one tension, it is 6 Newton. Tension here is 6 Newton. Yeah, I don't want to write here. Leave it. 6 Newton. But they ask you, what is the resultant force for the trolley? Resultant force means T minus 3 is your resultant force. T minus 3 is your resultant force. T minus 3, T is 6. Minus 3, 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, it is 3. Resultant force is 6 minus 3, which is 3 Newton. Now, I purposely do this. Actually, we got a better and easier way. How? F, resultant force or net force? Net force, resultant force. Resultant force is equal to MA. What is your M? 1.5. What is the A? 2. So it is 3 Newton. Also can. Alright. If you do it this way, you label, you calculate, it will be slower. But anyhow, you don't know what do they want first, right? So you get the answer 3 Newton. Okay. I want you to try this one, right, without my help. Diagram 21 shows a tool rod with a mass 3 kg, 5 kg connected to the string with a pulley. When the system is released, you release both. Where will it go? What is the tension? How much is the tension? So, label all the forces in. Label first. This one heavier, it will go up or go down. This one lighter, it will go up or go down. Label it in. Label and then do left and right and get the answer. Try. You try. Already? I hope you are done. So this one lighter going down. This one going up. A, I don't know. A, I don't know. This one 5. 5 is 49. 49.05. 3, I forget. 29.43, I guess. Mm, 29.42. Okay, I label in already, so I'm going to do the left hand side. Left hand side telling me, yeah, I forgot to label this T. So, because of this one, this one is lighter, it is going up. What am I doing? This one is going down. Yeah. The error salah. But salah also can do lah, I told you. But if you do salah, not nice, huh? Okay, this T is bigger. T minus 29.43. T minus 29.43 is equal to MA. M is 2 kg, 3 kg. A, I don't know. So this is the first equation. Second equation, 49.05 minus the T minus T is equal to 5A. Stop these two. This one plus this one gone. This one minus this one. 49.05. Alright, I purposely minus the bigger number so that I got negative, but never mind. I take the positive number only. 19.62 is equals to 8A. So, E. Ay! Ah! Never mind, leave it. I want to keep that one just now. Right. Never mind, leave it. Right. So this one I divide by 8. Because of this one got negative, I divide negative 8. Okay. So 2.4525. Later PM me, PM me after the class. Okay. After you get the A is 2 point something, and then you get the T. T is here. T minus this one. T minus 29.43 is equal to MA. M is 3. A is this one. 2.4525. 2.4525 times 3, and then plus this one. Plus 29.43. You get 36.78. 36.78. Okay. Okay. That's all. What do they ask you to find? How much is the tension of the rod? Tension of the rod. Yeah. Answer is A. Okay. All right. Next one. Which situation will produce a minimum acceleration? So now F is equal to MA. F is equal to MA. Now the bigger minus smaller is net force, right? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3A. So A is equal to 3 divided by 3, 1. So this one is, the acceleration is 1. Okay. The second one, F is equal to MA. Alright. So I'm going to do it here. So what is my resultant force? 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 divided by 4. Also 1. 4. Right? 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. How about this one? F is equal to MA. At minus 7, it is 1. Is equal to MA. M is 2. Right? 2A. 1 divided by 2, you get 0.5. Last one, right? This one and this one, f is equal to ma. F is 8 minus 7. Is equal to 1a. The mass is 1. A, 1 divided by 1, it is 1. Okay, O will give you 1 except this one. The third one will give you 0.5. Minimum acceleration. Okay, C will give you the minimum acceleration. Okay. Diagram 18 shows a hot air balloon moving with constant acceleration downward. Not constant velocity. Teacher, don't see the constant. Constant mean it is constant velocity, not necessary. This one accelerate downward. So meaning that this one is going downward with the acceleration. So which of the following correctly explain the situation? The weight is increased. Weight is increased. The resultant force act on the hot air balloon is 0. No. Right? No. The weight. Why no, teacher? The resultant force is 0 because constant. Constant velocity, then resultant force 0. Right? This one constant acceleration. The weight is equal to the buoyant force. Mean weight is equal to the buoyant force. Mean it is the same. It is not moving or moving with constant velocity. So this one is not. The weight of the hot air balloon is bigger than the buoyant force. Yes. The weight is bigger than this, so that it will going downward with the acceleration. Okay. Like this one. You see, when you memorize, teacher don't memorize it. See the diagram. Now, diagram 20 shows a car at rest, not moving. R is equal to WC. RWC, 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 yeah. RWC, answer is C. So, now, aeroplane move with the acceleration constant altitude. Constant altitude means it is not going upward or downward. So, U is equal to WA. U is equal to WA. That's all. Constant altitude. Teacher, it accelerate or accelerate. F is more than G. They don't talk about F and G. Yeah. Leave it. Okay. Now this one I don't want to do. I want to draw. You do it. You try to do it. See whether you can do it or not. Now I read. Diagram 20 shows a passenger 60 kg in the lift. So now calculate the magnitude of the normal force. I don't know. Want you to find. Moving upward with the acceleration 1.5. Upward with the A 1.5. So I label everything in. I didn't write MS minus 1. You try to do it. You try to do it. Okay, done. Okay. So because of this one is moving upward, right? R is bigger. R minus W is equal to MA. R I want to find minus W. W is mg. M 60. G 9.81 is equal to MA. M 60. A 1.5. They said 1.5. This one you bring to here, become plus. So you get 678.6 unit Newton. 678.6. Answer is C. Can you get it? I hope you can get it. Alright, very easy. You draw it out, then it will be easy. You don't draw it out, then teacher, R minus W or W minus R liao. Why? Because you don't read, you don't draw, so you don't know which one bigger. Okay, this one I haven't teach you yet. The force is the anchor one next week. Like this one. Why you need to memorize? I don't know why you need to memorize. Okay, we do X first, X, Now, accelerate upward. Which one bigger? R is bigger. Minus the smaller one. Is equal to my resultant force. You bring to here, then plus. R is equals to MA plus MG. MA plus MG, no more. Yeah, answer is D. Never mind, we try to do this one. Accelerate downward. They drew it for you already. Very easy. Mg minus R. Mg minus R is equal to MA. Negative R I don't want. I bring to here. Become positive R. MA I bring it back to here. Mg minus MA. Constant velocity, no need to see. R is equal to Mg. Constant velocity up is equal to down. Answer is D. You see the question always repeated one with different number, different way. They add in some, minus some, and then you can be a new question already. Okay. Diagram 20 shows a lorry at rest. At rest, 3 is equal to 4. 1 is equal to 2. Right? So, and forces acting on the lorry. Which equation shows a relation when they start to move forward? Move forward, you never say acceleration or constant velocity leh. But never mind. This lorry, it is on the ground. It will not fly on the sky. 3 must be equals to 4. 3 must be equals to 4. 3 must be equals to 4. 3 more than 4. 3 more than 4. 3 more than 4 means fly up. 3 less than 4 means it go to the ground. Okay, left is 2. Now, if move forward bigger. Right? Because of you moving forward. So, F1 more than F2. F1 less than F2. F1 more than F2. Yeah, correct. Now, teacher, how about F1 less than F2? F1 less than F2 means F2 is bigger. F2 is bigger. Your frictional force is like 10 Newton. Here it is 2 Newton. Can you move forward? No. Teacher, move with constant velocity? No. Only same. Then you move with constant velocity. Right? This one move forward mean it can be constant velocity. At least you have to F1 equals to F2. Or F1 more than F2 also can. So answer only can be C. Do you get it? If you don't get it, let me know. Tell me in the chat box. Teacher, I don't understand. Teacher, you don't say, teacher, I don't understand. I don't know whether later I talk about which one, right? You tell me page 41. Let's say you don't understand page 41, question number 25. You tell me, teacher, page 41, question 25. I don't understand. Can you repeat it? Then I know what to do. Alright. I'll repeat for you. Let's say you don't understand, you ask. This question. Okay, you try to do. Label all the forces in first. Label all the forces in and write the equation. Okay. And try to do it. Done? Get it? Okay, can? Now I lazy. You see this question said find acceleration. So I lazy. So F is equal to ma. So I use the bigger minus smaller. 117.71 minus 78.48 is equals to the total mass 20. So I can find the A directly. Right, this is how I do it fast. 117.71 minus 78.48 equal divided by 20. 1.96. Okay, answer is C. Direct. I don't need to go and find the T. If the question only asks you the A, okay. If the structural question only asks you the A, also can. Also can. Because they don't ask you the T or what for, you calculate the T. But if they don't, you have to do it one by one, no choice. If not, later how, teacher, I find this one and Baru, I go to find the T. Then how to find the T? You have to, this one going down, 117.71 minus T is equals to 12A. And then you still need, so why not you do it earlier if they ask you T? Highest acceleration 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg. The biggest resultant force will give you the bigger acceleration. So this one is 18. The resultant force. 24 minus 4. It is, you see the opposite direction, 20. This one same direction, 18. This one 20. This one 15 only. This one 17. You don't need to calculate. Why? Because of the mass all the same. So which one got the biggest resultant force? Mean you will accelerate with higher acceleration. F is equal to ma. F mean F is equal to ma. your resultant force bigger, the mass is all the same. Your acceleration will be big. Okay? Which component force move the cart forward? Okay, this one I haven't teach yet. The anchor one I haven't. Which one will produce a zero resultant force? 300, 400, you got to the right 100. 300, 400, you got the left 700. 300, 300, same direction. If opposite direction, this one. This one, actually, I taught you a little bit, right? 3, 4, 5. Because of 3, 4, it will give you a 5 here. 5, 300, 400, it will give you 500 here. So if you 500 here, you got another 500 here, it will give you zero resultant force. Right? You don't see the 500 first. 300 and 400 will give you 500 here. So answer is D. Answer is D. This one I haven't teach yet. Next week. This one. What is the acceleration? This one you can use my that one. My shortcut here. mg. This t no need lah. Leave it. 3 times 9.81 is 29.43. We have do it few times already. 5 kg is 49.05. So F is equal to MA. Come on. You use they ask you the acceleration only. F is equal to MA. So 49.05 minus 29.43 is equals to total. Don't forget it is total at A. So A gonna be 49.05 minus 29.43 equal divided by 8 equal 2.45. 2.45. So answer is B. You no need to do everything, right? Okay. The diagram shows an aeroplane flying horizontally with decreasing velocity, right? Decreasing velocity means deceleration, right? Thrust is less, drag is more, right? So which one? This one I rewrite. This one decreasing velocity mean deceleration, not acceleration. Deceleration. Constant height mean lift is equal to weight. 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 No, lift. Lift more than weight. What happened? It will go up, not horizontally. It will go upward. Right? Weight more than lift, it means it will go down. Okay. So drag more than thrust, so it will decrease. Thrust more than drag, it will accelerate. It will accelerate forward. So this one will decelerate. Decelerate means negative. So answer is C. This one I put it as your homework. Page 46. I haven't do yet. Right. So many. Quite many. I tell you, quite many. I cannot do all. I tell you, maybe I discuss some only lah. See, this one, you pass it up to me. Alright. After you do homework, this is your homework. You try to do it. Ayo, this question cannot do leh. Got anchor one cannot do. Got anchor cannot do yet. Got anchor skip. Wait. No anchor one can do. No anchor one can do. Page 47. Got anchor one, we skip. Homework. Page 47 until 50. All structural question. 52. Not many lah. We are going to discuss this one next week. Okay. Now, lastly, I am going to stop here. Now, my January, it is free. Tuition is totally free. You don't need to pay anything. Even some of you register already, some of you pay already, but your pay will go to February one, right? Not the January one, right? And then if you have a friend, help me to share to your friend. And then lastly, the lucky 7 YTCH, you PM me directly. PM me. If you did share to your friend, you screenshot and then send to me. You send first, also you send today. After this, you send to me, then I will follow up with you. All right. Okay. Thank you for the lesson. I am going to stop here. Help me to promote a bit lah. This year my student not many. I don't know why. Because they want, most of them want physical class. I don't know why. Okay. I don't do physical. I do online only. Okay. So I'm going to stop here. This is your homework. Do it and then pass it up to me. We are going to discuss next week. Bye bye. Thank you for your lesson. Help me to press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you. All right. I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Good night.